So guys, let's we start a new sum. Rakesh, Mahesh and Mukesh were partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2:1 respectively. तीन पार्टनर्स है राकेश, महेश एंड मुकेश, 3:2:1 रेशियो है इनका. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 is as under. Balance sheet is given. Capital accounts Rakesh, Mahesh and Mukesh 30,000, 20,000 and 10,000 respectively. So capital account balances transfer will be credit side of partners capital account. Creditors 8,000, bank loan 20,000, bills payable 18,000. All the three are liabilities, so we have to show liability side balance sheet. Plant and machinery 40,000. So plant and machinery is assets. Motor truck 20,000, debtors 14,000. 16,000 minus 2,000 less RDD, it's 14,000. Investment 18,000, bank 14,000. So all our assets we have to show in the asset side, and bank balance we have to took below the balance sheet, means as a working part. So if we have any entries, so that we can calculate on it, right? Mukesh died on 30 June 2019 and on the following adjustment were made. So मुकेश जो है जिसकी डेथ हो गई 30 जून 2019 को, तो क्या क्या एडजस्टमेंट हुए? Assets were revalued as plant and machinery 44,000, motor truck 18,000, इन्वेस्टमेंट रुपीज 17,000. तीनों भी असेट्स के ऊपर इंट्रीज है. असेट्स पे मार्किंग करेंगे एडजस्टमेंट की, और बाद में हम लोग इसमें इंटर करेंगे. ऑल डेटर्स वेयर गुड. डेटर्स जितने भी है सब गुड है, मीन्स नो बैड एंड डाउटफुल डेट्स, राइट? So we have already mentioned RDD in balance sheet 31st March 2019, so that we have to eliminate from the balance sheet, right? So how we'll do? Let's see, right? Goodwill of the firm at the 2 times the average profit of last 5 years. No goodwill account to be shown in the books of the firm. So very important thing is second one. First तो वही दिया है जो लास्ट समय हमने किया था कि लास्ट 2 years के हिसाब से, मीन्स 2 years का परचेस लेना है और 5 years का प्रॉफिट दिया हुआ है, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली गुडविल निकालना है. दैट विल कैलकुलेट एंड दैट्स वेरी इजी, राइट? बट जो सेकेंड लाइन बोली गई है वो ये कहती है कि नो गुडविल विल बी शोन इन द बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट. गुडविल जो है बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट में कहीं भी दिखना नहीं चाहिए. सो हाउ विल डू कि अगर गुडविल है कैलकुलेट किया बट उसको बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट में नहीं दिखाना तो कैसे? सो दैट विल सी इन दिस सम, ओके? एंड मुकेश शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट अप टू हिज डेथ इज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट ऑफ लास्ट 2 years. लास्ट 2 years के बेसिस पे एवरेज प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करना, तो लास्ट समय हमने जैसे किया था वैसा ही हमें इसमें भी करना है. 5 years प्रॉफिट इज गिवन हियर. फर्स्ट ईयर 6,000, सेकेंड ईयर 11,000, थर्ड ईयर 7,000, फोर्थ ईयर 12,000 एंड fifth year 24,000 respectively. So all the profits is given, so that is calculative part for us for calculation of goodwill, right? So we'll see how we'll calculate it. Prepare profit and loss account, profit and loss adjustment account. We have to prepare partners capital account, balance sheet on 1st July 2019, means after the reconstitution we have to create a new balance sheet of partner Rakesh and Mahesh. Okay, so Mukesh will die and after that we have to create a new balance sheet of new firm, right? So how we'll do this sum? So let's see. First is given a capital balances of all the 3 partners, so we have to transfer it in credit side of balance partners capital account. Balance drawdown 30,000, 20,000 and 10,000. So that's the opening balances of partners capital account given in the balance sheet side, okay? What else? Creditors 8,000, bank loan 20,000 and after that bills payable 18,000. All the 3 are liability and there were no any adjustment on it, right? So directly we have to transfer it on liabilities side, but first we have to, what we have to do? We have to retain here capital, okay? Capital Rakesh and Mahesh. Mukesh is not here, right? So after that creditors is given 8,000, bank loan 20,000 and bills payable 18,000. No adjustment, so directly outer column, okay? 8,000, 20,000, 18,000, okay? So liabilities entries are over, so we go to the asset side. Plant and machinery 14,000. Plant and machinery have adjustment, तो प्लेस छोड़ेंगे उसके लिए 40,000 इनर कॉलम एंड 1 एडजस्टमेंट फॉर 1 प्लेस. आफ्टर दैट मोटर कार 20,000, अगेन एन एडजस्टमेंट ऑन मोटर कार, सो मोटर कार आल्सो calculative part 20,000 is given, so 20,000 we will write in inner column and place for 1 adjustment, okay? After that debtors, So debtors also have an adjustment because debtors were all good, no? Written in the sum. So debtors amount is given in this sum is 16,000. Okay. After that, what we have to do for debtors all good, that we'll see later. Next is investment 18,000. Again an adjustment on investment. So investment 18,000 also we have to retain inner column and place for one adjustment. Okay. And last one is bank 14,000. So it's a calculative part for us. So I have written here bank 14,000. Okay. That we'll see later how we'll calculate the bank amount. Okay. So balance sheet is completed. Now we'll go to the adjustment. Revaluation of assets is given here. Assets revaluated at rupees plant and machinery 44,000. So plant and machinery 40,000 given as a book value and 44,000 is new value. So it's appreciation of assets because it's fixed assets get appreciated and other all assets will reduce or decrease or increase. Okay. So here we mention appreciation and appreciation how much amount. So this is the amount given 4,000 because 44,000 given outer column, no? So 4,000 is increased. Plant and machinery increase means fixed assets amount is increased. Assets get increased means profit for us, so we have to transfer it on profit and loss account credit side, right? Profit and loss adjustment account credit side. Plant and machinery 4,000. So I have mentioned here 4,000. After that, what is given? Motor truck 18,000. So motor truck is also revaluated at 18,000. What is the book value? 12,000 and 18,000 means amount get less 2,000, so it's depreciated. Motor car is also a fixed asset, so it's depreciated, right? Depreciation how much? 2,000. Decrease of assets loss for us, so 2. Motor car 2,000. That's the entry. After that, revaluation of assets means investment 17,000. Again investment gets lesser. 18,000 is book value, investment now revaluated at rupees 17,000. So investment gets reduced. We can use word reduce, we can use word decrease. What is comfortable for us? It will depend on us, right? But if it is fixed assets, then you have to use appreciation and depreciation words. For appreciation increase and depreciation for decrease, right? So investment get decreased, so 1,000. Assets get reduced, so it's loss for us, no? 1,000 I had transfer here. Debit side of profit and loss adjustment account. So revaluation of assets, first adjustment is over. Second one is said as all debtors were good. All debtors were goods means debtors have no any RDD. It means debtors have no any RDD, right? So no RDD means all debtors are good means book value is 16,000 and all debtors were good means 16,000 is whole data amount will get transferred to the outer column. But what we have to see that in the balance sheet, what is given? RDD given 2,000 means 16,000 less 2,000 and final amount given outer column is 14,000. So here new amount is 16,000. Old balance sheet amount is 14,000 means assets get increased, debtors get increased by 2,000 rupees. So debtors increase means it is profit for us. So here we have to enter debtors 2,000 and profit and loss adjustment account credit side for profit. Okay, so that's all. What is next adjustment? Goodwill of the firm valued at the 2 times of the last 5 years. 2 times means it's 2 years purchases. So last 5 years average we have to means last 5 years profit is given in the sum in the 5th adjustment. So we have not have to do anything about this adjustment. No goodwill amount to be shown in the books of account. No goodwill amount shown in the books of account. So we have to no goodwill amount transfer in the balance sheet. No goodwill amount shown in the partners capital account. कहीं भी goodwill का amount नहीं लिखना चाहिए because goodwill accounts में show नहीं करना है. But how we'll calculate? So it will see later. Mahesh shares of profit to his death calculated on the basis of average profit of last 2 years. So what we have to do? We have to do first working note for Mahesh sharing profit, right? So calculation of Mahesh profit So how we'll calculate? We have given the amount of profit, but we need only last 2 years profit. So last 2 years profit is 24,000 and 12,000. So 12,000 is second last year and 24,000 is last year's profit. So we have to calculate the profit first. So how we'll calculate average profit for last 2 years? So it's 24,000 plus 12,000 and divided by 2. So it is 18,000. So we get average profit of last 2 years. But what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the Mahesh share. And before we calculate Mahesh share, first we have to calculate the proportion of the year, because it is yearly profit and we are maintaining the books of account for on 1st July because of the death of Mahesh. So first we have to calculate the 3 months profit. 3 months profit. How we'll calculate? We'll calculate it by dividing 4, or we'll calculate dividing by, means 3 divided by 12, multiplied by 3 divided by 12. Because 3 months we are calculating, 12 months in a year, so 18,000 into 3 divided by 12. So we'll get answer as a 4,500. So that's the proportionate profit for 3 months. Okay. So 3 months profit is 4,500. But again a calculative part for Mahesh share, because 4,500 is a profit for all the 3 partners and we have to calculate only for the Mahesh. So what is calculation ratio for all the partners? Given in the sum is 3:2:1, right? So we have to calculate 1/6 part, because Mahesh is third partner. Rakesh, Mahesh and Mukesh. We are calculating Mukesh share, okay? So Mukesh has died and Mukesh share we are calculating, okay? So Rakesh, Mahesh and Mukesh. So Mukesh share is 1/6, because according to the profit sharing ratio, 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. And 1/6 is the Mukesh share, so we have to calculate 4,500 into 1/6. So Mukesh share 4,500 into 1 divided by 6. So we'll get the calculative part, and this is 4,500. So amount is 750 only. Okay. So 750 is just a part of share for Mukesh who get died. So it is profit and loss adjustment. No, it's a suspense account. Okay. Suspense account 750 for Mukesh. So that's the calculative part. Working note first we have completed for Mukesh profit of share. After that, given information for the 5 years profit. So again we have to do working note for the goodwill calculation. Okay. So we do working note number 2. Here we have completed working note number 1 for Mukesh sharing profit. Now we will calculate the working note number 2 for calculation of goodwill. So how we will calculate goodwill? Let's see. Calculation of goodwill. That's very easy, because we have calculated in last sum also, and we have calculated in admission of partner and retirement of partner also, right? So calculation of goodwill. First we have to calculate total profit. So last 5 years profit is given. So first we will calculate total profit. It's 6,000, 11,000, 7,000. 6,000 plus 11,000 plus 7,000 plus 12,000 plus 24,000. So we'll get 60,000 total profit. Okay. So total profit is 60,000, and number of years are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of years are 5. So we have to calculate average profit. AP is the symbol for average profit. Total profit divided by number of years. So total profit is 60,000. Number of years are 5. So we'll get answer as a 12,000 for average profit. Now we have to calculate goodwill. So what is goodwill? Goodwill is average profit into number of years purchase, or number of years calculative part given in the sum. So we have mentioned here number of year purchase. So number of year purchase is given 12,000 into 2 is given. So answer is 24,000. So we get goodwill. But this is the goodwill for entire firm. Okay. Entire firm's goodwill is 24,000. But we need only share of that partner, deceased partner. We can say deceased partner. So deceased partner is Mukesh. So Mukesh share we have to calculate, and Mukesh share how we will calculate? So we will calculate on the basis of the ratio given in the sum. That is again a 1/6. Okay. So 24,000 and 1/6 ratio we have to calculate. So we will calculate Mukesh share of goodwill. Okay. So 24,000 into 1/6. So it will be 4,000. So 4,000 is a share and 4,000 is a part for goodwill calculative of Mukesh. So what we have to do? We have to create a goodwill in the accounts. So we'll create a goodwill. We have raised goodwill in the books of account, and we'll put here entry by goodwill account, but not in this sum. Most of the time we'll do that. Yes, goodwill account we raise in the books of account, but we don't have to show the goodwill account in the books of account. So what we'll do? What we'll do that transfer, direct transfer to that goodwill amount to the continuing partner, surviving partner. Surviving partner is Mahesh, Rakesh and Mahesh. Okay. And if the one partner eliminated, means that Mukesh is eliminated, then the ratio will be the 3:2 for the continuing partner. So continuing partner's ratio is 3:2. We have to divide that 4,000 amount in 3:2 ratio, and then we'll get the amount of Rakesh share and Mahesh share for the goodwill. Goodwill not written off. What we'll say, transfer in the partner's capital account. Okay. So 4,000. What we'll do? Rakesh calculation. First we do Rakesh calculation, then we'll do Mahesh calculation. So how we'll do Rakesh calculation? 4,000 into 3 divided by 5, that is ratio, and for the same Mahesh, ratio is 2 divided by 5. So 3 divided by 5, we'll calculate that amount, 5,400. So it will be 2,400 and it is 1,600. Okay, and when we add this both amount, 2,400 and 1,600, we'll get 4,000. So it's right. Okay. So how we'll do the entry for the goodwill when we don't have to show that goodwill in the books of account? So we'll do that transferring of that goodwill amount from Mukesh capital account to the Rakesh capital account and Mahesh capital account. So we are not maintaining the capital account for all the three partners different. So we will transfer in the same here only. But if we will maintaining the three partners capital account, 3 means my Rakesh partners capital account, Mahesh partners capital account, Mukesh, then the entry get divided in the according to the partner's name. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to transfer by Rakesh capital account and mention here goodwill. Amount is 2,400. Raised, that is the entry for goodwill raised. Goodwill raised in the books of account, but name not, we have not mentioned name, right? Same here by Mahesh capital account. Again we'll put here goodwill, and that is 1,600. Credit side of this, so we have to transfer this entry in the debit side, and we'll get here entry as a to Mukesh capital account, and we'll mention here as a narration goodwill. So in the Rakesh account it is transferred 2,400, and the Mahesh account it is transferred 1,600, and Mukesh account is nil because Mukesh only get dead on 30 June 2019. Okay, so that is the transaction for goodwill calculation. And when we don't have to show the goodwill in the books of accounts, so we have to do this type. So if we are showing the goodwill in the books of accounts, so we will direct get entry by goodwill account, and goodwill will shown in the asset side of the balance sheet. Okay, so that's a complete calculation of goodwill and how we will return off that goodwill in the partner's capital account adjusted. Okay, so that's it. That's all entry are done. So now we have to calculate the profit and loss of revaluation account. Okay, so working note 1, 2 both are completed. Okay, so 6,000 in the credit side, 3,000 in the debit side. So 6,000 obviously ज़्यादा है और डिफरेंस दोनों के बीच का आ रहा है 3,000. So that is revaluation profit. We have to mention here revaluation profit transfer to the partner's capital account that you have to mention here. After that you have to put the name here, Rakesh, Mahesh and Mukesh. Then profit amount is 3000 that we have to calculate on the basis of given ratio 3:2:1. So we'll calculate the amount 1500, 1000 and 500 for Mukesh. That is final calculation that we have to transfer in the partner's capital account credit side because it is debit side. We have to transfer here P&L adjustment account. Again a bracket, you have to mention that this is profit part. Okay, so amount is 1500, 1000 and 500. When we will calculate the profit and loss adjustment account, profit or loss, then we have to close the partner's capital account. And when we are closing the partner's capital account in the sum of death of a partner, so first we have to close the account of the partner who get dead. So Mukesh's account first we have to close. There is no any entry in the debit side, so we have credit side we have to calculate 10,000, 750, 2,400, 1,600 and 500. So total amount will be 15,250. So guys, no any type of such information is given that we have to pay this amount or we have to transfer this amount in any loan account. So in the absence of this information, we have to transfer the whole amount in the Mukesh executor amount or Mukesh nominee amount or Mukesh legal representative loan account. Okay, so I am mentioning here as Mukesh executor loan account, means that amount we have to pay in future. So amount is 15,250. Loan is liability for us, so I have to transfer it in on the liability side balance sheet. Mukesh executor loan account 15,250. Now we have to calculate the balance amount of the capital in the partner's capital account of Rakesh and Mahesh. So first we'll do for the Mahesh 20,001 is 21,000. 1,600 is debit amount that we have to minus from here, so we'll get 19,600 as a closing balance. 19,400 because 1,600 we have to deduct, right? That is to balance carried down. 19,400, that is capital balance of Mahesh. We have to transfer in the balance sheet liability side capital amount. Capital already we have mentioned, right? Amount we get transfer here. And now Rakesh, so 30,000 and 1,500, so 31,500. Total is 31,500 both side. 2,400 is given here that we have to minus from. So we'll get 29,100 as a balancing figure that we have to transfer in the capital side of balance sheet. Liabilities 29,100. So that's over for the partner's capital account and profit and loss adjustment account. So now very important entry for the bank side or cash or bank account. So cash or bank, so bank is given here 14,000 and no any adjustment entry is given in the books and adjustment. So 14,000 only the amount we have to transfer in the balance sheet because no any adjustment in the cash or bank account. So 14,000 is get transfer. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate the asset side and liability side balances of balance sheet, and that both amount will get tallied, then our sum will be the okay. So what is the balance sheet total on the asset side? 1,09,750 we get. So we have to calculate liability side also, and that's the same 1,09,750. So guys, देखा आपने very simple sum कितनी इजीली आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. आपको सिर्फ गुडविल और प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग के ऊपर ध्यान देना होगा. अगर आप डेथ के सम सॉल्व कर रहे हो तो उनका प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग किस तरह से हो रहा है, प्रॉफिट का कैलकुलेशन पार्ट किस तरह से हो रहा है, गुडविल का कैलकुलेशन पार्ट किस तरह से हो रहा है, इसके ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा आपको ध्यान देना होगा जब भी आप कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो और सम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं डेथ ऑफ अ पार्टनर के. ठीक है.